First, open your browser. Then type explain 10 mod apk. After doing that, you will find this website. Then click on the link. You have to wait here for 6 seconds. After waiting 6 seconds, you will find this. You have to click on this. Then you will find this website. Then you have to click on download this file. After installing, you will get this. The game is downloading its resources, so you have to wait till the game downloads its resources. After downloading its resources, you can enjoy the game. You won't get the feature of join and create match. As you can see here, every planes are now unlocked. That's for today, folks. If you like the video, then like it. I often make video in Bangla, so for that subscribe to my channel.